Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an NFT on Matcha. First, ensure you have a compatible crypto wallet like MetaMask configured for the Matcha network. You'll need some Matcha tokens for gas fees, typically a small amount, perhaps less than $1. Next, prepare your digital artwork or file. It should be ready for upload, meeting any size or format requirements of your chosen NFT marketplace on Matcha. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth minting process. Once your wallet is ready, visit an NFT marketplace that operates on the Matcha network. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner, and approve the connection. After connecting, find the Create or Mint option. You'll then upload your digital file, whether it's an image, video, or audio. Be sure to add a compelling title and description for your NFT, as this helps potential buyers understand its value and uniqueness. Now, it's time to define your NFT's characteristics. You'll set the name, a detailed description, and any royalty percentages you wish to receive on future sales. Decide if it's a one-of-one piece or part of a collection with multiple editions. The platform will show you the estimated gas fees for minting. These fees are paid in Matcha tokens and can vary based on network congestion, but are generally quite low, often under 50 cents. With all details confirmed, click the Mint or Create button. Your crypto wallet will then prompt you to approve the transaction. Carefully review the gas fee and total amount before confirming. Once approved, the transaction will be processed on the Matcha blockchain, and your NFT will be minted and visible on the marketplace. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Congratulations, you've successfully minted your first NFT on Matcha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.